taking me home. One thing really do want. Say that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? We both feel the silence with things they think they know, baby.
Hi, my name is Angelina, and today I'm going to show you what we installed to this Mercedes. As you can see, this is a stock display. We changed it to this touchscreen display and also put some cool features to go with it. So you can now use YouTube and watch some cool videos, clips straight from your car's display. That's really cool. And also we installed Google Maps on it with voice control. This not affects on your warranty because we are working with all known car brands.
Everybody else got their own view. I know they cannot see where I